Well, hello, this is Mark Garretson. Um, I'm here with another book review for author Dennis Carey. Um, An Untilled Field was the last one that I did, and I recently got this one and it's called The Sins of the Mothers. And it's a very interesting book. Um, for right now, it's 141 pages. It was just released last year. Dennis published this himself. Um, the title is interesting. The point of the book, the thrust of the book, has to do with a young man in his 30s. His adopted mother had just passed away. He starts reading a book that talks about County Sligo and Sligo. And the author of that book is living in England, but is originally from that area. And the way the relationship develops is this young man decides that he wants to meet his birth mother, and all he knows about her is that she was an unmarried woman in Sligo in 1958 when he was born. That being the case, the young man, Paul, gets in touch with the author, and through a series of communications, they end up going on an adventure together to find his birth mother. The story is full of twists and turns. There are a lot of personal issues that are really intently dealt with, but the end result is a very good read of a very topical subject. That's something that I wasn't as up to date on before I read this book as I was afterwards, because there was an awful lot of research again that Dennis put into this book, and I found myself after reading it, and I couldn't put it down. I wanted to do some research into the tomb, mother and children's homes. They were mother and children's homes were run since 25 by the Catholic Church throughout Ireland, in specific areas, but covering most of the country. The story of those children and mothers is gut-wrenching. The unregulated adoptions that came out of them becomes an important part of this story. And I'm not giving away any secrets that aren't on the book jackets. So what I would suggest is that you've got to read the book. It's really full of emotion, full of interesting information, and it leaves you with a lot of questions that you feel you need to answer as well. So once again, Sins of the Mother. It's 141 pages of sometimes gut-wrenching, but for the most part, intriguing writing. Good luck and slop.